Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to do the demonstration of the two applications which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asking me to make a video, which is Marrow and the preparation ladder test in the Realme tablet. Yes friends, few of the users, they actually plan to buy this tablet for the online education. So that's the reason they want to know whether these two applications are actually supported in the Realme Pad device or not. That's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video friends. And based on the comments only, I'm trying to make this video. As you can see, this is a comment which I got just maybe 34 or 40 minutes back, and I did take the screenshot as well just to show you what's happening. So that subscriber did mention that these two, Marrow and the preparation ladder, these two applications are really important for them, and these applications are not supported in the Samsung A7 tablet. As you can see, actually in the Amazon, someone had written that A7 is not supported with the above mentioned applications. So that's the reason I thought of using these two applications in this video, just for the demonstration purpose, just to check whether these two applications are actually supported in this Realme Pad device or not. The main reason is because it will be really disappointing friends if you buy the tablet and if you get to know that those apps are not supported which you're gonna use. So that's really waste of money. So it's really good way to ask me. That's the reason I thought of making a video. Here's the first application, which is a Marrow application, which I'm trying to demonstrate you right now. Yes, there's no issues with the application at all. You can actually access the application pretty good. So which works fantastic without any kind of issues. And you can actually take all the quizzes as well. As you can see, there's a quiz bank which is available. You can actually attend. And these are the free quiz, as you can see. If you want, you can just select. And which works fantastic friends. Nothing much major problems as well. You'll get the really good explanation as well while doing. So there's no issues with this application at this moment in this Realme Pad device overall. Yes, absolutely. As you can see, I'm trying to select the random answers just for the normal sake only. I'm not that good in any way medical. I'm kind of close to engineering. So here's the next application, which is a preparation ladder. Let's say using this application, what are the things possible? Let's go to the videos. And let's try to do the demonstration videos of the free videos. Let's try to play one random video. And here we go. As you can see, the application works fantastic. No issues and no problem with supporting or not supporting in the Realme Pad device. It's absolutely supporting in the Realme Pad device without any kind of problems. These two applications especially. And you can actually see the notes as well. As you can see the notes and everything, which is fantastic. As you can clearly see friends, which is kind of possible. So friends, this is a quick demonstration using the two applications, which are Marrow and the preparation ladder, which are kind of useful for the medical students. That's the reason I did include this NEET and PG type of applications. And in case if you want me to include any of the different applications, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll try to include different applications in my videos testing on the Realme Pad device. Only because of this one statement which says that these applications are not supported in the Samsung Galaxy A7 tablet. That's the reason I thought of making a video checking on this one, whether this tablet is supporting or not. So they can actually purchase this tablet with confidence that these applications will be supported. So that's it friends, thank you for watching. I'm doing my best to give the clear idea what's going on with each and every smartphone and the tablet. And meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned and bye. Best of luck for your exams in case if you're preparing for any kind of exams. Meanwhile, signing off until then, bye.